Let me see here. Got another question here. VidPet says, currently studying CISSP and CCSP and working on my master's degree in cybersecurity. Well, congratulations. That's a lofty goal. You're going to be extremely competitive with that CCP. The CISSP is super competitive, especially in GRC positions. It's very effective. It's one of the certifications I could point to and say this thing changed my life. It just opened so many doors because there's so many organizations that have that checkbox. And good, bad, or indifferent, like it was one of the most effective things I've ever had. In this current job, it really wasn't a factor. They required either a CISSP, a CISA, and then they had like a whole bunch of other certifications that I could have gotten to check the boxes. So CISP wasn't absolutely necessary, but it was on there. It was one of the things that they listed. So I would say it helped me a little bit, but mostly they were looking for the skill set. Okay, let me see here. Marcel Monopoly, thank you for the props, man. I appreciate that. Larry says, was there any sort of clearance requirement for the position? Was having a clearance or of any benefit? So I think that I have to be eligible for a certification, a clearance. So I have to be a U.S. citizen, and then I'm going through a background check right now. So having one, in this case, I didn't have to have one. I just need to be eligible for one. So, we'll see once they do the background check and everything on me, but I should be good. I don't know that in this particular position, I know that there's some positions where they require you to already have one, which is I always thought was weird. I think what they do is if you worked at an organization where you had a secret or some kind of public trust or something, and then it's remained active for like 3-4 years, whatever, and then you go to another position, and then they can see that you still have an active secret clearance because you worked somewhere else, then that helps that organization. In those cases, it's really super helpful to have a clearance. And this one, I already had a clearance, but they're going to have to do a background check anyway. So I just need to be eligible to get the certification, the clearance. I keep calling it certification, the clearance.